Take a look at this. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to all of your friends. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, so welcome to this mini tutorial, and today I will show you how to change your towers manually. So many of you have been asking me, how am I able to change my tower? I cannot place my tower spot is empty, and so on. And I've already showed you guys in many of my episodes how to do that. So of course I did that like in the middle of a, I don't know, 1 hour or 50-minute video, but I did it, okay? And now I just wanted to make a mini tutorial on that, because I think that watching a mini tutorial on that topic is a lot more easier for you guys than watching a 15 minutes video and just skipping through just to look for that part. Okay, so let's just quickly do that. So yeah, you first of all need to play the game, and then let's pretend that this thing right here, or these spots, would have been empty. Okay, so instead of 0 post yes, let's say that this thing's empty. Then all you need to do, okay, is first of all switch the perspective, then go to players, then your player, and then change those values. So it actually depends on which spot you want to change. So this is the first spot, this is the second spot, and so on. So if I change the first spot to view 4, then I'm able to place it, as you can see. Now I could change it again to Naruto, and I would be able to place him. And that's the way I'm doing it. So it might happen that some of you try to change the tower values without changing the perspective, and let me just explain what happens. So let's say that we want to change the 4th tower value right here. So if you would do that, let's just do that without changing the perspective. So let's change this to gear 4 as well. Okay, as you can see, the text changes, but I promise you Zoro is going to spawn. And as you can see, there he is. So the thing is that by changing it per client, so the tower value only changes for you and does not change for a server, and what matters is the server's version of the value. So that is going to be the value which actually matters to you, and which actually represents your tower. The tower value from the client's perspective only represents this GUI, as you can see, okay? And from the server's perspective, it represents both, either the service information about your towers, or also this GUI right here. And that's it. So this is it. This is the way and how you can change it. So let me just quickly revise. So first step, change perspective. Second step, go to players, your player, decide on one of those tower values and then change it, and then switch back. And there you go. This is the way I'm changing it. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to share this video to all of your friends, and check out the anime tower defense series. And do not forget to give me feedback in the comment section, guys. I love you, and see you in the next video.